Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I'm here with a sneak peek of what's to come when I do my mega napkin sale. And that's not, I don't have the set date for it yet, but it's coming. So, y'all ready? We have the little chickadee. We have this napkin. We have Santa. And this is a vintage one, so we have this one. We have the little puppy doggies. We have this. Now these are the like cocktail, and these are dinner. No, yeah, these are luncheon napkins. These are dinner. We have this luncheon. We have this cocktail. This luncheon. Dinner. Maybe this one. We have this luncheon and this one. Now I'm gonna open all of these for you guys. I'm not sure about the Paris one yet because I'm collecting Paris things for uh, a project. See, this is full floral, and then you have this one that is full plaid on all of it. Okay. And then you have a full petty. All four panels are exactly the same. Then we have the picnic napkin. Now this is not all that I have. I have a big tub plus two, possibly three boxes. And I'm going to do this as a 10 for 10 sale. So you're going to have 10 and 10 napkins in one of these little pouches here. And I'm going to try to do it where I have the 10 napkins that's going to be in the pouch to show. Okay, we have this one. They're all full panels, guys, all full panels. This one. Now there'll be no pictures at the end, so because this is just a sneaky peek. Okay, you have this one. That's full panel. That's a full panel. And if I'm going a little fast, it's because I'm organizing my room and trying to put this thing together. Okay, this is full panel. And this one is a full panel. I mean, you got 6 panels for this one. I mean, you have 6 panels for this, the Santa. You have 6 panels for the fan. 6 panels for the yellow flowers. 4 panels here. 4 panels here. 4 here. 4 on each one of these. 6 on this one. And 4 on that one. So this is, like I said, just a sneak peek of what's to come for my mega sale. And trust me when I say you're gonna love what I have for you. Now they will come in a pouch like this with the back, and this is how they're gonna look in the pouch. Okay, I might have to take them because the luncheon ones are huge, and then the dinner ones are also huge. So put them like this and put them in here. like so, and then seal it like that. Okay, so they gonna come folded because these are the only thing for packaging that I have. I mean, I could pack them in here, but this is not. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Just mm-mm. So this is how they're gonna come packaged to you when you purchase one. So it'll be like this. This is be 10 for 10, and I'll try to have a sample of what's in each one, and I'm gonna have like A, B, C. Okay, and that's all I'm gonna say. Okay, I want to a sip of coffee. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, when I